Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to activate your Fundbox credit line after approval. Now if you got approved, now what? Let's walk you through exactly how to activate and access your Fundbox credit line. Step 1, log into your Fundbox account. So head to fundbox.com and log in. You're going to land on your dashboard. That's the first step. Now the next step is to navigate to credit dashboard. So click on the credits tab, or you can find the notification saying that your credit line is ready and click on it. Next up is to review terms. Now before you activate, you need to review the approved credit amounts, the draw fees, and repayment terms. Fundbox is transparent, so you want to make sure you double check everything. Step 4, accept offer. Now click accept credit line or activate, depending on, of course, on your screen. This confirms your approval and activates access. Step 5, make your first draw. Once activated, you're gonna immediately draw funds. So just choose the amount that you need and then select your connected bank account for deposits. Step 6, wait for funds. Deposits typically arrive in 1 business day. You're gonna get a confirmation email once it's been sent. And that's it. Your Fundbox credit line is live and usable. Simple, fast, and business ready. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.